6 years ago, Koenigsegg showed the world something that seemed impossible, not because of the horsepower, because of the seats, 4 of them, in a hypercar. This week, that impossible car finally reached its first owner. This is the Koenigsegg Gemera, and Koenigsegg calls it something new entirely, a Mega GT. When it was first unveiled, the plan sounded almost modest by hypercar standards. A small, twin-turbo, 3-cylinder hybrid engine. But somewhere between the concept stage and the production line, Koenigsegg tore that plan up. What rolled out of the factory instead is a 5-liter twin-turbocharged V8, working alongside 3 separate electric motors. Combined, they produce 2,300 horsepower. 2,300. In a car with 4 doors and 4 seats. 2,028 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. A top speed of 249 miles an hour. Numbers that used to belong exclusively to 2-seat, track-only machines, now sitting in something built to carry a family. Production brought real changes too. Gone are the concept's camera-style side mirrors, replaced with conventional units. The rear wing was reworked, the front splitter revised. And for owners who want the full aggressive stance, Koenigsegg offers it all through an optional Ghost package. For 6 years, the Gemera existed only as a promise, a display piece, a what-if, wheeled out at shows while engineers quietly rebuilt it from the inside out. Now, the promise is delivered, literally. The first production-ready Gemera has left Engelholm and arrived in the hands of its first customer. 2,300 horsepower, 4 seats, one car that refuses to choose between family and fury. This isn't just a hypercar anymore. It's proof that Koenigsegg was never bluffing. Steel Reborn.